Hey guys, so I am now officially registering for the President's Cup, which is a month away, and I'm doing a video to record my preparation and everything for it. So here we go! Okay, so watch, I'm doing it. I am pushing register now. Good morning guys, it's Monday morning and I'm gonna weigh myself as the first weigh-ins as I start to get ready for President's Cup. See, 49.0. So I'm about 3 kilos off, or 7 pounds-ish, that I'm gonna have to lose in this next month, and I can't wait to show you how I'm gonna do that. Gosh, it looks so cold out there. Alright guys, so I'm gonna start on my run because it's freezing. It's starting to rain, like there's little drops on the ground. So I'm gonna get this thing done as fast as I can. I'm gonna run about 10 minutes to assume that equals a mile about. Alright, see you when I'm done. Well, the jog is done. I'm tired, as you can tell. Usually I like to do some stretching and some abs out here, but I like out doing that outside today. My fingers are freezing. There's rain on the ground. I'm going in. For like the little first workout portion of my day. Next, I'm gonna go shower because I feel gross and sweaty, and then I'm gonna come downstairs and have a healthy breakfast. Okay guys, so I showered and now I'm ready for breakfast, which is like the best time of the day because you get to eat. And I have to eat somewhat healthy because I am at 49 kilos and I have to drop 3, which is like 7 to 8-ish pounds. And I have about, I think, 3 or 4-ish weeks to do it. So what I'm gonna have is some granola with some milk. I like almond milk. And also some eggs. I do need to go grocery shopping so I can have more of a variety in what I'm eating and some healthier food. But, I mean, you can still make healthy options with whatever you have. Here are my eggs. I put them in way too soon. So here are my eggs, they're scrambling. I've been told I don't cook eggs the right way, but I don't care. I like my eggs. They taste great. See, it totally works. They're super scrambled. So I like to add some cheese on my eggs. It's not the healthiest thing, but I'm not too far off from my weight. And it tastes delicious, so I'm gonna enjoy it. I also said I'm having some granola. So here's the kind of granola I'm using. It's Mama Chia. I really like it, and it's really good for you. It has like only 7 grams of sugar, which is really good compared to most granolas, and 5 grams of protein, 16 grams of carbs. So it's perfect for breakfast in the morning. Okay, I have all my food ready, and now it's time to enjoy. And now I'm gonna try and get some work done on my laptop before I go and teach and get my second workout in. Hey guys, so I made it here and I'm about to start training. I'm running late, so I'm gonna go ahead and jump on in. at training, and now it's time to move on to the best part of the whole day, teaching little kids. Alright, everyone together? Are you guys ready to start your day? Event where parents are actually learning how to help their kids and how to help them at home, how to hold targets. I don't know if you can hear me right now because they're so loud. I'll let you watch. I just got home from the long day and I'm cooking some dinner and I will be ready to go to sleep soon. Thanks for joining me today. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos and more fun.